Hello everyone, this is Mama Liu's kitchen. Today I'm going to have a homemade boiled fish, Shui Zhu. Let's start. The basic ingredients: fish fillets, dried red peppers, and peppercorns. We chop some scallions and gingers and garlic and ready for use. The original vegetable they use bean sprouts, but I choose the vegetable what I have. I have lettuce, so I just use lettuce. We're pouring the boiled fish on the top of the lettuce. And then spread some green onion on the top of the fish. We need to heat up some red pepper oil. And then we pour on the red pepper oil on the top of the fish. And everything looks so good, and we're ready for serving. Thank you for your watching. For more recipe, please subscribe and follow. We will see you for next time. Bye bye.